Hello, friends. Once again, I am Professor Kaushik Bharti, Srimati S.I. Patel, Ipkowala College of Commerce, Pitla. Friends, today we will learn example of the farm accounts. So here is the example in front of you. Following information is given for Sri Kunal for the year ended 31st March 2015. Opening stocks: seeds 5,000, fertilizer 7,000, grains 20,000, livestock 80,000, purchase: seeds 8,000, fertilizer 4,000, livestock 12,000, sales: grain 80,000, livestock 6,000, vegetable 12,000, wages 15,000, insurance premium 9,000, land revenue 7,000, government subsidy 1,000, grain given in lieu of wages 3,000, grain taken for personal use 5,000, goods given for charity 2,000, rent and taxes 3,000, irrigation expenses 6,000, closing stock: grain 10,000, vegetables 5,000, livestock 70,000. Prepare farm account in the book of Sri Krunal. This is the example, friends. Now, how to prepare the farm accounts? Here is the farm account in front of you. So I have used here hyperlink. So I can move the one slide to the another slide very easily. Here is the sum. So first of all, we will write the opening stock in the farm accounts. Opening stock: seeds 5,000, fertilizer 7,000, grains 20,000. Total will be shown 30,000 in the outer columns. Again go to the sum. We will write amount of the purchase. Here is seeds 8,000, fertilizer 4,000, livestock 12,000. It is also shown to the debit side of the farm accounts. One by one: purchase: seeds 8,000, fertilizer 4,000, total 12,000. Go to the sum again. Sales: amount of sales: grain 80,000, livestock 6,000, vegetable 12,000. Here, friends, amount of the livestock, it is shown in the balance sheets. So here we have to prepare just farm account. So the livestock will be not written here. So we will write grain and vegetables, credit side of the farm accounts. Sales: grain 80,000, vegetables 12,000. Total amount will be indicated 92,000 in the outer column. Once again go to the sum. Wages, it is the expenditure. Insurance premium, expenditure. Land revenue, also expenditure. So the friends, expenditures are written debit side of the farm accounts. One by one: wages 15,000, insurance premium 9,000, land and revenue 7,000. Go to the sum again. Government subsidy 1,000. Friends, it is the income. So it is shown credit side of the farm accounts. Government subsidy 1,000. Go to the sum again. Grain given in lieu of wages rupees 3,000. Go to the farm account. Grain given in lieu of wages 3,000. કેટલીક વાર મજૂરોને એમની મજૂરીના બદલામાં અનાજ આપવામાં આવે છે. એ જાવક તરીકે ફાર્મ અકાઉન્ટની જમા તરફ એટલે ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ તરફ દર્શાવવામાં આવે છે. Go to the sum again. Goods taken for the personal use rupees 5,000. Goods taken for the personal use 5,000. So it is shown credit side of the farm accounts. Go to the sum again. Goods given for the charity rupees 2,000. By goods given for the charity 2,000. So it is also shown credit side of the farm accounts. Go to the sum again. Rent and taxes rupees 3,000. Irrigation expenses 6,000. They are the expenses. As a expense, it is shown debit side of the farm accounts. Rent and taxes 3,000. Irrigation expenses 6,000. Now we will write the closing stock. Go to the sum. Amount of the closing stock, they are given grain 10,000, vegetable 5,000, livestock rupees 70,000. But livestock, it is indicated in the balance sheet, so it will be not written here. Only grain and vegetables are written here, credit side of the farm accounts. Grain 10,000, vegetables 5,000, total amount 15,000 will be shown in the outer column. Here total 1,18,000, but still one thing is missing here, that we have to find out the amount, return amount of livestock. So it is calculated here, opening balances plus purchase of the livestock, then the sales of the livestock will be deducted. So whatever amount we get, we deducted the closing balance. Here 80,000 opening balance, 12,000 purchase of the livestock, 6,000 sales of the livestock. So after simplifying 86,000 we can see here, and closing balance of the livestock will be deducted rupees 70,000. So we can get the amount rupees 16,000. It is the amount of return of amount of the livestock. So it is debited to the farm accounts, rupees 16,000. Now we can get the missing amount, that will be the profit or loss of the farm accounts, and it is net profit rupees 18,000. Thank you very much.